What you reading?
The Odyssey.
Remember when tie-dye was an activity?
No, I did not make that shirt. My parents got that shirt for me at Sea Ranch. You can read Sea Ranch if you look closely.
Cut to 10 years later.
What?
Like how 10 years ago we were in first grade and now we cut to.
What does cut to mean to you?
Or like little did he know that,
Nothing you're saying is making sense.
oh, we're not virgins anymore. We deflowered each other. We have each other's flowers.
I did not lose my virginity to you.
Wait, what?
No, I lost my virginity to Cassie Duvall.
Excuse me? You said you were a virgin.
No, I didn't, because I'm not, and I have not lied in 2 years, so...
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, it's probably been like 6 people now, or something like that.
You don't even know if it's 6 people?
No, I don't keep a list.
Why wouldn't you keep a list? We're in high school.
Why are you getting so moody about this?
You said you were a virgin.
I think you made a misunderstanding.
I just had a whole experience that was wrong.
No, you're deciding to be upset.
No, I am upset.
Because you're deciding to be. Why are you getting mad at me for this? It's something that I have no control over.
I just wanted it to be special.
Why? You're gonna have so much unspecial sex in your life.
I was on top. Who the fuck is on top their first time?
Do you have any idea how many civilians we've killed since the invasion of Iraq started?
Shut up. Different things can be sad. It's not all war. Are we still going to prom together?
Sure.